And all of a sudden we're gone into all kind of different enterprises and diversifying and what else we into?
So to close this off, sir, you can reinstate back the same 5 that I had asked about. We just set them at different points and the plan is in motion. With that said, what is next on the table?
Anything, as long as it don't cost money.
Sir, we're going to need our own drone.
But I already asked the quartermaster to issue one temporarily. But it wants to be ours. We can rent it.
I would not suggest we use anybody drone but our own. Safety, sir.
Let me teach you something. You ever wonder how rich people stay rich? They act like them poor. You ever wonder how poor people stay poor? They act like they're rich. I'm not getting poor. I'm going to use the bathroom. You have all successfully pissed me off.
Him did say, no mention nothing else but money.
Bubbles, listen, you know how much trouble that is? Me have to clear every footage off of the drone. It better we have our one that's safer.
You have a point, you know. But you give it away. You never have to say it when him just says stay away from him pocket.
I want me to own, man. You not like spend money?
Listen, whatever it is you need, just say it to me. Remember, say me do all of the invoice then.
That's nice.
Where are we? And please, do not tell me I'm still in my pocket.
No, sir. We're moving on to the next topic.
Because coming through the door, I heard something about invoices.
No, sir, none of that. It's just Tony was just telling us that she would invite us to our house now that Kareem is back, you know, to celebrate.
Invite Kareem. I never. You wouldn't deceive me with your daughter.
Me, Pops? Oh, no, never.
Sir, a topic of concern. This. Is any of your assigned officers involved?
Well, not to the best of my knowledge.
But sir, what about the Don over there?
I said, not to the best of my knowledge.
And there's nothing that will tie us back to that, sir?
You all know how I feel about casualties on these things. You know? But some of it is unavoidable. But we come from a society that seems to glorify it. Even the people who read, alright, look at this. JFJ fires back at police commissioner. In the fire at them, everything now is like, it's not a pleasant circumstance, but they are trying to put in your head that guns firing all over the place. And everything that don't look decent. This is what, page 3? JDF sergeant accused of assaulting girlfriend charged. Pretty soon soldier can't get no woman.
But sir, in the defense of the JFJ, you know, 50 people killed in 54 days by police. Them have a case.
I see what you're saying. That's just short of one a day. We're not supposed to be a hit squad. We're supposed to bring people to justice.
But sir, what about having a case of non-lethal weapons? Because this not look good.
You know what else don't look good? Police funeral.
Sir, but we have to strike a balance. That's where I have the problem. We are law enforcers too.
And you're preaching to the choir. Well, let's get it straight. When a politician in high places sends out the edict, either or, what you going to do? And you find yourself in a situation where you have to use sustainable force. Then you have politicians who appoint people dons and then try to clean up the mess. Let me tell you the analogy I would use. You go get yourself a pit bull and you feed it and you feed it and it get big and it get big. And pretty soon the collar you feed can't fit. So you have a choice. Pay dog bite fee or put the animal down.
Sir, I see why them not like you. And they want to shut down the agency. Because they tell it as it is.
They've been trying that for years. Hello? Roxie? Calm down. Say what? Oh, okay, calm down. I'll make a few calls. Say what? Look, you know what to do, and more importantly, you know what not to. Say what? What you mean you have the laptop? Say nothing more. Any questions? Plead the fifth. I'll get back to you.